Everything tastes better in glass. 18 ounces glass tumbler made of odor-free, stain-free, and clean-tasting glass. No plastic or metallic ingredients touching your drink. Perfect for juices, smoothies, tea, water and more. Good to go. Devon's friction fit real wood lid prevents splashes for on the go. A silicone sleeve protects against chips and cracks. Sleeve also provides a no-slip grip, reduces condensation, no sweat, and protects tabletops. Tumbler fits in most standard car cup holders. Easy cleaning, mouth is wide enough for easy cleanup. Tumbler is dishwasher safe. Hand wash lid to prevent warping. No need to remove silicone sleeve for cleaning. Clean, safe, green, contribute to green living. All parts are BPA free. Our sleeve and lid seal are made of FDA food-grade silicone. Smoothie approved. Whether you drink smoothies, iced tea, juices, or water, everything tastes better in glass. The Ello Devon 18 ounces glass tumbler with straw is designed for enjoying your favorite beverage on the go. A silicone sleeve provides a no-slip grip, reduces condensation and protects tabletops. Devon's friction fit real wood lid prevents splashes for on the go. Approx. Dimensions: 9.5 height by 3.2 dia. Care and use instructions. Glass is a fragile material and may break upon impact. Please use appropriate caution. Wash before use. Tumbler and straw are dishwasher safe. Hand wash lid. No need to remove silicone boot for cleaning. Do not microwave. Do not freeze or leave in your car in freezing weather. Not designed for use with hot or carbonated beverages. Do not use cleaners containing bleach, chlorine, abrasives and/or other harsh chemicals. If your tumbler breaks or cracks, dispose of immediately. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy, easy to clean, color true to item pictured, 95% leak proof. This tumbler is great. The color is beautiful, it is easy to clean and it fits in my car cup holder, CRV. I use this for ice water and I put about 4 cubes and put in cold water. With that, I can feel the coldness through the silicone just like if there was no sleeve. Not bothersome, I guess. BC then I know it's cold. This said not to use with carbonated beverages, but I did put some for a quick sip and it trapped the bubbles in so well I coughed with my first sip, so I guess that's a good sign towards the leak-proof claim. Is it completely leak-proof? No, if it's on its side for more than 5 seconds the liquid will start to slowly drip out from the straw hole. The only thing that I think would help is the straw having its stop ring maybe put up closer to the height of the cup. See pics. Don't get why the straw should come out all the way like that. Is this a good buy? Yes.